Hello everyone, and today I will show you a fully funded scholarship for undergraduate, masters and PhD students, and the scholarship is for Saudi Arabia. And before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more updates. The university name is King Abdul Aziz University. It is ranked at 143 in QS ranking, and it is ranked at number 1 in Arab region. So you can see, and it has very good employability ranking as well. And according to Times Higher Education ranking, it is ranked at 201 to 250th. So these are the benefits of the scholarship: receiving new students at the airport, and they will receive the scholarship student at the airport. And what are the financial benefits? Offer a reward of arrival allowance, provide regular students with annual tickets and compensate newcomers, follow up of award related financial procedure until they got organized, provide university students with emergency subsidies and financial aid, employ some of the scholarship students. So they also employ scholarship students, not all, but some of the students who will be very excellent in academic. And what is passport department issues renewal and a replacement of lost or damaged ikamas, issues and cancellation of re-entry exit and final exit visas, update of passport information upon renewal, bring students families upon their desire. So students can also bring their families along with them. So this is an excellent scholarship. And sustenance, provide suitable accommodation for scholarship students and follow up their status in their place of residence during their academic year to find solutions in case they face any problems. Offer low cost food, so they will also offer low cost food to scholarship students. And healthcare, offer healthcare for students and their families in cooperation with the relative KU departments. And academic follow-up students academic status, assist stumbling students and find solutions for the problem that they face in cooperation with KU concerned academic departments, honor outstanding students and encourage the continuation of their excellence. So this scholarship is very generous, so it is one of the excellent scholarship available out there. So these are the available programs for you: Arabic language diploma, or you can apply for undergraduate program, or you can apply for graduate program, graduate in master or PhD. So like if you want to apply for undergraduate program, so I will open the link, or if you want to apply for graduate program, I will open this link. So it's loading. So guys, these are the available programs for undergraduate arts and humanities. There are a lot of programs: faculty of economics and administration, faculty of law, faculty of science, faculty of communication and media, environmental. So there are a lot of program available for everyone, so everyone can apply. And this is for female student, and this is for male student, and male and female both students. So for female they have like pink color, and for green male student they have green color, and male and female blue color. So you can check it out, the color as well, and can differentiate. So what are the entry requirements? Student must be of good contact. Student must make full commitment to the KU regulation and bylaws. Student must be medically fit. Student must have obtained a secondary school graduation certificate. Regular student attending in the morning duty must commit themselves to full-time study. The student's secondary school graduation certificate must not be older than 3 years. Student must not dismissed from any university or for any reason. Student must not be younger than 17 years old or older than 25 years old for undergraduate level. Student must not have been awarded a scholarship from a Saudi university. A female student must be accompanied by a relative who is within the prohibited degrees with the regular resident. Student must be eligible for admission requirements. So these are the requirements, and then you can apply from here. And for graduate program it will be like this: apply for PhD program or apply for a master program. So I am a master student, so I will click here apply for a master program. So for undergraduate, when I click here, so new link will be open. So they have given all the details here: terms and condition for external scholarship, like those who are not Saudi residents, So the student must be of good conduct and behavior. Student must pledge or abide by the rules and the regulation of university. The student must be medically fit, must hold higher secondary school certificate or its equivalent from inside or outside the kingdom, must be committed to full-time studies. So you can read it out, it is detailed, and these are the benefits. The students enjoy all benefits that are provided, offer substance, so monthly stipend. So these all are the benefits which we have discussed earlier, and these are the general rules, so read it out carefully. End of scholarship: the external scholarship student should leave the kingdom after completing the studies within a period not exceeding 3 months from the completion date. So after their study end, so they will leave the country after 3 months, within 3 months. If the actual duration of scholarship programs ends, then it is not permissible to extend the duration more than half period the required to complete the program. So first you have to create your account, then log in, and then you have, so one thing I want to clarify that IELTS is necessary for this scholarship. So you will click here, create your account. So guys, it will look like this. So you have to write your email here and then register. Then you will receive an email on your Gmail account or whatever your email account is. So then you have to then log in here after creating your account and then follow the steps. So this is for undergraduate and procedure, and this is for graduate, and these are the available program for graduate. Faculty of Science in biology science, statistics, chemistry, biochemistry, mathematics, physics, astronomy science. Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Meteorology, environment and arid land agriculture, Faculty of Computing and Information Technology, Faculty of Environmental Science, Faculty of Marine Sciences. So what are the entry requirements? Student must not be older than 30 years old. Student must obtain a recognized qualification in his her own country with the minimum grade very good in case their final degree classification were awarded in an estimate. Student must obtain one of the following score in English language test, like this. IELTS is 5, so it is not very much. I think anyone can get 5 score in IELTS. Student must be of good conduct and medically fit. Student must provide 2 recommendation letters from his her previous faculty members. So 2 recommendation letters are required. Student must not have been dismissed from one of the Saudi institutions. And candidates of Arabic language and literature, Islamic law, studies, sociology, psychology must be professional in spoken and written Arabic language. Student must be of good conduct and medical. So from here you can apply. So first I will create my account. Like after creating my account, I guess I have already created my account, so I will log in here. Then program, attached files, confirmation, follow up, change up procedure. So I hope you guys understand the procedure. If you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer it. Thank you for watching. Bye.